go. There's a good one. There's a good one. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today I'm out here in Tampa Bay with my buddy Ty. He's going to be doing some wade fishing, probably going for some speckled trout. There's quite a few stacked up on these flats out here, if nothing's changed. With the new regulations, I'm sure there's actually more fish than the last time I was here 2 years ago, because they had to die off and then the red tide hit them after that. But what I'm doing here is I'm going to put on just 1/8" jig head and a matrix shad. I'm going to start out with the chartreuse, and I'm going to tie a loop knot on here. I'll do a video on the loop knot. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll make sure to get a video up with this loop knot. But this one, I'm working on just the vlog fishing, hoping to get you guys some action. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and comment. If you like what I'm doing here, do me a favor, watch till the end. It helps the algorithm. Appreciate you guys. Right now we're trolling out to the spot. I'm doing like 2.5 miles an hour, and then I just jig it every once in a while, because that allows it to dart, maybe draw some attention. Also changes water columns a little bit. It'll bring it up. You can bring your rod up like this and bring it to the top and let it work down. Gives it that drop, and figure out kind of what they're doing on the way to the spot. It's at least what I do. I try not to waste time. If I can figure out a pattern on the way out there, then I know how to work it when I'm throwing it, when I'm fan casting or working, you know, the grass lines where the sand meets. Because a lot of times the trout will sit in the grass and they look usually up current, whatever way the tide's moving or whatnot. And then if you can work that sand edge, that's what they do, and they'll come out and ambush it and hit it. But oh, I'm getting a bite. Worked in about 6.5 feet of water. I was jigging it when I got that bite, but I still have my tail, so trout will take your tail off if you don't feel action. Odds are you got a bite and they took your tail. I'm gonna sit out here and see what I can do. I'm gonna throw around some casts.
Question for you.
Yeah.
What, when you decide to go between baits, like how many times do you sit there and throw a swim bait, or say a shrimp like this, artificial? When do you start switching back and forth before you're like, you know what, they're not biting on this, and you try something different? 20 cast, 100 cast?
Like, when do I switch out my artificial, or when do I decide to throw bait?
No, artificial. Switch now from a color, or maybe a type, or from a artificial plastic to a maybe a top water, or to a spoon, or
It depends. Are you reeling in, or are you getting hit? It depends. 15 minutes probably. You know what I mean? Once I've tried every water column and every action I can for what that is, and fan casting, if I know the fish are there, I'll try something else, you know, 10-15 minutes.
What about,
but I'll soak a live bait usually while I work the artificials. And then the top waters you work in like low light conditions, like now when it's calm would be good. But usually morning and night, like sun up, sundown type deal on the top waters.
What about the old farmers tried and true spoons, brass spoons, silver spoons, I mean,
Yeah.
that's one of those lures that they say just everybody's toolbox.
Oh yeah, no, for sure. They that's what I started out Seville, my worker, because I got him hooked on fishing now.
Uh-huh.
And in the beginning, he's like, I need to get all this tackle. And I literally gave him a gold, a silver spoon, a red and black Daredevil, the red and white and black and white.
Yeah.
And I said, here you go fish with these. And he's like, I don't need anything else. And I was like, nope. And he'd go catch fish every single time he went. Yeah, no, the new lures catch more fishermen than fish.
Well said. Well said.
But I'm guilty.
Yeah, well, we all want the new bright and shiny toy, right?
Yeah, well, it looks like a better fish to me. It has to catch a smarter fish.
I bought
And
one
there
of those.
might be something to it, you know what I mean? But it's not like if you're not trying to fool the extra finicky fish, you know.
Yeah, I'll fell for it. You know the.
But if you're going for reaction bite, you don't want it to look real anyway.
Yeah, true. Well, that's where the those live bait dual hinged mullets and greenbacks and all that stuff they're selling now.
Yeah,
They're like $10-12, a piece.
yeah.
Man, I saw one of those things, and that was that bright and shiny toy. One cast, beautiful. Second cast, and the tree gone.
Oh, in the tree?
In the tree.
Not even on a fish?
Not even the water. I had one complete cast. Next one, that was a $12 cast. Goes gone.
Yeah.
That lure is gone.
I did that with a Mirrodine on the beach. I bought it brand new. You know, the mirror lures?
Yeah, yeah.
And I tie it on and I go to zing it out and my bail closes.
Oh, broke the line?
Yeah, broke the line and it went flying. I didn't even get one cast out of that thing.
I did that with a brand new bone topwater.
Yeah.
And same thing. That was my own stupid fault because I tied the leader on and I didn't tie the proper knot. And because it came through the end eyelets, it was catching. Ding, ding, and I knew better. And I should have taken the time to tie a proper knot, but I didn't. And about the fifth cast, that thing, dang, top water. I don't know, it was a 5-inch, whatever, gone. That thing was 100 yards, man.
Yeah.
There goes another $12 lure.
Yeah.
Just need to go to the grocery store and buy my fish.
It'd be way cheaper.
Yeah, right?
I was
But
thinking
come on,
about
look at
that,
Who
like
cares?
per fish meal.
You know what? We all work hard, play hard, and in the week, man, they'll come out and,
Oh, fish on, baby. Yeah.
really slow retrieve.
Nice.
Really slow retrieve. Okay. Thank you for playing. Oh, with that little silver trout, huh?
Yeah, little white trout, sea trout.
Yeah.
That's good.
Wow.
See you like that, mid-conversation.
There you go.
Good release.
Huh?
Congrats, Ty.
Thank you. Thank you.
Getting the skunk off. I'm bullshitting too much and letting Ty catch all the fish. Gotta
Nice.
look what I'm doing over here. The rod's just sitting in my lap. Can't catch fish that way, guys.
But hey.
But that's what it's about.
It is.
It's hanging out here, guys, just floating. Sometimes, I'm gonna be honest with you, sometimes I don't even fish that much. I just come kayak around or go out on the boat and just float around. But if you don't like this, I don't know what to tell you. It's beautiful out here. All right, guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, I've been working this a while and Ty just hooked up on a gulp shrimp. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my rod thrown out with live shrimp on it. And then on the bottom on a split shot rig, then I'm just going to kind of drag it behind me. And then I'm going to throw the gulp shrimp on the same jig head that I have right now. Alright, so what I got here, guys, just a, I don't know if you can see that, 1/8 ounce jig head, and then the 3-inch gulp chartreuse. Nice hook 'em like that, straight through the top. I also use the belly weight ones too, but I'm rigged up with a jig head, so we're just gonna use that. I think both work just as good, little different presentation, whatever you like working. Gotta go get a shrimp, guys. So nice not having to paddle. Sorry, Ty. Whoa. Oh, whoa. Well, I'm messing with your program.
Sorry.
Hold on real quick. Let me get out of your thing without running it over. Hold on, you're good. No, don't.
No, we got another one.
Oh, you got another fish?
No, I threw my line out right.
You're good. That was my bad.
No, I dragged it over here.
Wasn't paying attention. Went to cut his line. Like a damn Guggen. What do they say about us tourist boaters, you know?
They say thank you.
Alright, so what I got, just a little split shot and a circle hook. And then I just take them like this. Just hook them through that tail. Like that. And then that way, oops, as I'm just drifting around, it's bouncing around back there off the bottom. Just enough weight to get it down on the bottom. Man, this motor's nice. I had a boat just come like ramrodding towards me, and I was able to kick it into high gear. Moves pretty good. Watch, I'll let you see. Check this out. This thing's moving. I got a wake going. Sure, this is the way to go. So one thing that's different down here than in Pensacola, because different places have different regulations, but they're trying to bring back the population from the red tide, and then also the snook with the freeze off or whatever that killed a bunch of them. So we can't keep any trout down here, so they're pretty healthy. There's quite a few of them. For some reason, I'm just not getting them to eat. The tide is sitting still, but to be honest, it was first time it wasn't windy, and I'm just out here to float around on the water and get some angles, try out some new edits. What do you guys think about the new trout regulations, Tampa and Pensacola? Because I don't know. Seems to me that Tampa has a way better population of speckled trout than Pensacola does. But comment below what you think about that. If you're in Tampa or if you're in Pensacola, what do you think about the new regulations? I catch and release most of the time, so it doesn't really affect me, but I know it affects locals. A lot of people fish for food and different stuff, so I'm always curious to know how the locals feel. Do me a favor, if you're not subscribed already, hit that button. Make sure to catch the upcoming episodes. Usually I catch more fish than this. Hopefully it turns around, but every day you don't slay them, you know. It's peaceful out here though. Can't complain. It's nice out here. Turbo boost. Man, check this out. It's beautiful. Mangroves, crystal clear water. I love it out here. No coughing, sir.
Huh?
No coughing, sir.
Yeah. I'm safety social distance.
You got 6 feet?
I got at least 6 feet.
We're 6 feet.
I'm kayaking in a bathtub.
We're 6 feet apart, don't worry. Here we go. Huh?
Nice one.
Oh yeah. Come on, buddy. Sit still now. Nice little speckled trout. Get this jig head out of his mouth. Got him on that. Nice little speckled trout. Cool fish. Nice release. Redemption. Redemption. How many do you have? I don't even want to know. Never mind. Don't answer that. What do you got, like 5 or something?
This is
4?
4.
Phew. 4-1, man. Getting skunked. Hey, at least it's your backyard.
This is true.
I can at least say that. That's my
I'm an angler.
that's my excuse. I'm the tourist. All right, guys. So the way I'm working this, I let it sit to sink all the way to the bottom, and then I'll twitch it from time to time. But twitch it, reel out your line, and just hold it and pull your rod tip up, just like with sheep's head. Kind of mend your line, keep it tight, because the trout will grab onto it. You gotta set the hook not too hard, but just a firm reel up, you know, because they'll bite it and then spit it out. Oh, like that. Oh, come on, man. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Yeah, they're just looking for stuff on the bottom. It was I almost quit reeling when I got him. Ty's kicking my butt. So don't listen to me. Maybe after this video we'll ask Ty what he was doing. And then you can do what he was doing. A little white trout action. Put him back.
Ow.
Nice job. Man, you're just killing me. That's a fatty. There we go. That's a decent little guy. Whew. Barely had him hooked. Look at that. Barely. They're a cool fish, man. Just missing up. There we go. There's a good one. There's a good one. Do me a favor. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Obviously, if you watched till now, you got some sort of entertainment out of it. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Comment if you would have done anything differently. Tell me what I'm doing wrong, guys. Let me know. I'm sure you guys would be slaying it here, so. The comments never surprise me. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.